And then I will have to find another team to save my scholarship.
Maybe another character, maybe English teacher, I just want that away.
Pwede po, Kuya Joe. Kailangan po.
Sulat na. Ano na?
Pwede po.
Ngayon naman, ibigyan nyo na ang kanilang people na supportahan at patuloy ang inyong team.
Madam people, your favorite Brigade captains are here, serving you a collect story that will ace your heart. Kaya naman, maraming salamat sa mga nanood na starting last Friday na Lover First Fight! It's a fun-filled coming-of-age high school sports drama about love, friendship, and acceptance. I'm sure sobrang mapasulit naman or parents.
Ayan po. I just want to say happy birthday, everybody. Happy birthday po. This is all for you. We hope that we can represent all of you in our series.
Hello guys!